Why yay. I'll watch a new video in Kirk. And what happened? They're running. Oh, I think, this slime in pink. HM. Oh gosh, there's, behind she got alive. I got blind, because, I have near side. There's the new cook. Oh my god, the new cook. She's so cute. She's finally met. Wait sec, I'll check on Google. Not girl, bro. This guy femoid. I'm sorry my brain. I thinks this new cook gender haha. She be like sleepy a little. She's wait coming. The new cookin'. She's cute like yellow or gold. Oh this gender. I just amazing. This 3D entity. Nice. My gosh. Eternal sugar cookie. She's coming new cook. An eternal sugar cookie. I looks for she's beautiful. HM. Again asterisk realized asterisk. She was like looking at there's eternal sugar cookie. I really. They're no enemies. They're no enemies. They're no enemies. I like she's friendly. Have no enemies. Oh my gosh. I'm cryy. I like she's silly. Oh, this heart is wing. I looks for people love. Meant happy Valentine's Day. I'm joking, I can't laugh. Oh gosh, my ear is song. Oh gosh, just amazing. She be like. I looks. She's pretty. I like gameplay. She's kindly or friendly because she have no enemies. Oh gosh. Please come new cook. She be like. What? I really. Wait sec just once question. I thinks she change. Villain have enemies. Nope. I look wallpaper. Is color change. How my thinks. Nope. I say nothing because, can't believe but. Because this the update CRK is next soon. I'm done. I need, watch and read. Oh, I look for she's mother. She pretty more. Let's do again, I can explain I'm not girl. She's gold pretty. She's lonely wrong happens. They have no enemies. HOHSH. She looking at him. Cuz she have no enemies. I really, oh gosh. IGOSH. I'll see for you. Next week a new download about artist and style. Bye.